Today I am starting nephron. It is also a part of excretory system in life process chapter. Now, first of all we will see what is nephron. Actually, each kidney consists of millions of nephron. And what is the role of nephron? Role of nephron is urine formation. Actually, in each kidney, millions of nephrons are present, which is responsible for urine formation. That's why its definition can be written as structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron. What is structural? That means constituent of kidney. And functional, that means if we are saying function of kidney is urine formation, it is actually main role of nephron which is kept in that kidney. Structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron. Now, when we see structure of nephron, when we see structure of nephron, we find that it consists of first Bowman capsule, second one proximal convoluted tubule, third one loop of Henle, fourth one distal convoluted tubule, and then this distal convoluted tubule leads into collecting duct. Look at here again. When we see the structure of nephron, we find that each nephron consists of Bowman capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting tubule. Now come to blood vessel. How does urine formation, or what is urine? Actually filtered. When blood is filtered, urine is formed. When blood is filtered in nephron, urine is formed. That's why blood vessel is essential, which enters in kidney. Now look at here. In each kidney receives blood through renal artery. Through renal artery. Each kidney receives blood through renal artery. Renal artery redivide and form arteriole, and this which enters in each nephron. Look at here again. Each kidney receives blood through renal artery. Branch of renal artery is called arteriole. Branch of renal artery is called arteriole. And then a blood vessel which emerges out from kidney. It is called, each kidney receives blood blood vessel emerges out from kidney, emerges out from kidney, is called renal artery, renal vein, renal vein. Blood vessel emerges out from kidney is called renal vein. These renal veins are formed by union of capillaries, and then it emerges out from each kidney. That means you can say here, if this is renal artery, in the kidney, it is converted into, this one is if kidney, it is here converted into capillaries. These capillaries are named arteriole. These capillaries are called arteriole, and after that, when it emerges out, it is called vein. That means renal vein. This one is renal artery, this one is renal vein, and in kidney, it is converted into capillaries. It is converted into capillaries, and what is the name of these capillaries? Afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, vena cava, except, not vena cava, it is called vasa recta, vasa recta, vasa recta. Look at here, blood vessel which enters in each kidney is called renal artery, and its branch which enters in each nephron, it is called afferent arteriole. Then this afferent arteriole emerges out from it as efferent and surround it from all the sides as vasa recta, and it will be clear from this diagram. Look at the diagram here. In this diagram, you can see different parts of nephron. Different parts of nephron you can see in the diagram. Look at here. This one is Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule. Proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule. Loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Distal convoluted tubule. Collecting duct. This one is collecting duct. This one is also called collecting duct. Now look at the diagram. Blood vessel entering in Bowman capsule. This one is afferent arteriole. It is branch of renal artery. Here it is converted into glomerulus, which is stuffed of blood capillaries, and then emerges out as efferent arteriole. It surrounds it from all the sides as vasa recta or peritubular capillaries. Peritubular capillaries. Actually, vasa recta is present in longer nephron or larger nephron, and peritubular capillaries are only present in smaller nephron. It surrounds it from all the direction. Now look at here. Bowman capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and it leads into Bowman capsule. That means its direction is like this. Urine moves in this direction. Now blood capillary which surrounds it from all the direction. What is the role of peritubular capillaries, or what is the role of vasa recta? How does urine formation occur with the help of these blood capillaries and other part of nephron? You will learn in next session. Thank you.